Okay, and the relative minor C sharp, G sharp, F and B flat minor. Okay, so we'll be learning about these which is here C sharp, G sharp, D sharp, and A sharp. Okay, we'll start from A, that is the first space, then the third space, and then the fifth space. Third space. So I was talking about the degrees, first, third, and fifth. So spaces first, second, and third one. Okay. Again, we change the position. So we'll start from B, that is B, E, A, and D. So this is to remember beat. Beat goes complete flat. That is, I remember for the flat ones. Okay. And we know we have 5 flats in it. And it is a treble clef. So let's start from B. So we'll start from B, E, A, D, and G. So next one is our A major, and A major simple has 3 sharps in it. This is your alto clef, and let's start from here. So fat, cat. Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to start the new topic that is more about the new keys for grade 5. So we're going to learn about some new keys in grade 5. So you can see as given here. So we are learning about E, B, A flat and D flat majors. Okay, and the relative minors C sharp, G sharp, F and B flat minor. Okay, so we'll be learning about these before this, there is a chapter of your circle of fifth. I'm not going through that. You just need to revise it and learn on your own. So I'm just telling you, we'll do the exercises on this one. So let's start with this one. So let's start from here first. So write the key signature and the tonic triad in. So we have to write the key signature and the tonic triad in root position for each of the following keys. Okay. So let's start with the first one. So you can see the example here. This is alto clef, and they have given the key signature for D flat major and the tonic triad for D flat major here. So let's move to the next one, which is called B major. Okay. Now in B major, we know there are 5 sharps. Okay. See, these things you have to remember or revise on your own or memorize it. Or if you need a simple formula to remember it, you can let me in the comment section, then I'll make that formula for you. So you can just remember that in future. Now, before you putting the key signature here, you have to see the which clef you're making the key signature on. So this is a treble clef. Okay. So because in every clef, when you're making a key signature, the placement of the keys is different. Okay. So let's start on this one. So this is B major. We need 5 sharps here. So we need F sharp, which is here, C sharp, G sharp, D sharp, and A sharp. Okay. So that's a key signature for B major. Now we have to put the tonic triad into this. So we'll start from the B note. This is our B note. Then third degree and the fifth degree. Simple. Okay. Now let's start the third one. So for third one, it is A flat major, and in A flat major we have 4 flats. Okay, which are those 4 flats? It's simple to remember that bead. Okay, so bead, if you remember, that is for the 4 flat key signatures. Okay, so and now this is a bass clef, so we need to again check from where we start. Okay, so we'll start from here. This is bead, so we'll start from B first. Okay, then we go to E, then we go to A, then we go to D. Okay, so this is the key signature for A flat major in bass clef. Okay, now let's make the uh, tonic triad into this. So we'll start from A, that is the first space, then the third space, and then the fifth space. Third space. So I was talking about the degrees, first, third, and fifth. So spaces first, second, and third one. Okay. Now let's move to the next one. So next one is C sharp minor. So C sharp minor has four sharps in this. Okay. And this is a tenor clef. So we again the placement of the keys will different. So let's start from here. So first is F. So let's make the F first. Okay. Then C, then G, then D. See how I remember this is, I remember that fat cat goes down and eat bread. That is something my formula to remember it. You can also do that, or you can make something of your own. Okay, you just need to know where you have to make it. So now let's make the triatonic at the root position. So we'll start from here, the C. So this is our C, then the third degree, and then it make the fifth degree here. Okay. Next, move to the next one. So next one is our uh, F minor. Okay, and F minor, if we see, has four flats in it. Okay, so let's make that, and it's a bass clef. Again, we change the position. So we'll start from B, that is B, E, A, and D. So this is to remember beat. Beat goes complete flat. That is I remember for the flat ones. Okay. Let's start from here. This is a bass clef. So we'll start from the tracktonic root position from F, then A, and then C here. Okay. Let's move to the next one. Next one is goes E major, and E major, we know we have four sharps. Okay. And this is a alto clef. So we'll start from F over. So this is the F, C, G, and D. Okay. And if you have to make the E major, we'll start from here. So this is our middle C. From middle C, the fourth line is E. So we start from E here, third degree, and the fifth degree. Okay. Let's move to the next one. Next one is B flat minor. So B flat minor, we know we have five flats in it, and it is a treble clef. So let's start from B. So we'll start from B, E, A, D, and G. Okay. For me, I told you bead, that is B-E-A-D, bead goes complete flat. Okay. So bead is that point from where you fill the air in a car tire. So that's what it is. Okay. And we'll start from the B. So that's the third line, third degree, and the fifth degree. Okay. Let's move to the next one. Next one is G sharp minor. So G sharp minor has five sharps in it, and we'll start in the bass clef. So let's start from the bass clef. We start from F. So fat, cat goes down and. Okay. And we start from G, the first line, G, third degree, and fifth degree. Okay. That's how you've done this one. Now let's do the next one. So next one is our A major, and A major simple has three sharps in it. This is your alto clef, and let's start from here. So fat, cat goes. Okay, and we'll start from A here, C, and yeah. So this is how we finish our this first question. If you will have any doubt regard to this, do let me know in the comment section. Okay, I'll try to send a feedback to you on that. And please like, share, and subscribe as much as you can do. I really need your help. I'll see you in the next video. Till then, thank you.